Alright, hello guys. In this video we're going to learn to make the ogive, the cumulative frequency graph in our TI calculator. So first we need to have our frequency table with our cumulative frequency. So let's go into stat, edit, okay? And in your calculator you should have the frequency table, okay? Of course, if you don't have it, you need to create it. We have list 1 is the lower boundary, list 2 is the upper boundary, list 3 is the class mark, list 4 is the frequency, and list 5 is the cumulative frequency. Okay, so for the cumulative frequency graph, we're going to use the upper boundary, which is in list 2, and the cumulative frequency, which is in list 5. So you need to remember those two lists. Okay, so for the graph, we need to go to second stat plot. We're going to click on the first one. Okay, we need to turn it on. That's the first thing. So we're going to click enter for on. In the type, we're going to select the second type. Okay, for X list, the X list is going to be the upper boundary. So that's list 2. And for the Y list is going to be the cumulative frequency. So for our lists is going to be list 5. Okay, the type of mark doesn't really matter. You can choose whichever one that you want. Okay, and if you have the option for a color, you can also choose whichever one you want. Okay, so here we can click on graph, and whoops, we see here that the graph didn't fit. Okay, so we need to go into window and change the settings. Okay, so for the settings, we need to make this Y a little bit bigger. Now, if you remember, there are 80 data points. So our Y max needs to be at least 80. So we're going to click on maybe, I don't know, 100. Okay. And now when we do the graph, you guys can see the ogive, the cumulative frequency, it actually fits in our window. Okay, that's it. Please remember to always go back to stat plot once you're done and turn off your plots, and after that you're done.